In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and set permissions in HubSpot. Adding users and managing permissions efficiently is crucial for ensuring your team has the right level of access they need and nothing more. This not only supports productivity, but also keeps your data secure by letting you control who sees and does what within your HubSpot account. So, let's dive into these steps together. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to HubSpot. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need your login credentials handy. After you've logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll see a gear icon, which is your settings. Go ahead and click on that to access the settings menu. After you're in the settings, you'll need to navigate to the account management section. You'll find this by looking at the menu options on the left side of your screen. Under Account Management, go ahead and select Users and Teams. This is where you'll manage user access and permissions. It's quite a powerful tool because it determines who can do what within your account. Now that you're there, you want to add a new user. To start this process, simply click on Create User and enter the email address of the person you wish to add. Right here, you'll also decide what type of seat this user will have. In HubSpot, a seat type dictates the extent of access a user will have. It's important to carefully consider what each new user needs to do their job effectively, but without giving them unnecessary access that could compromise your account's security. Managing user permissions follows a similar path to adding a user. While still in the Users and Teams section, you'll notice a list of existing users. Each name on this list can be clicked on to view individual profiles. Once you've selected a user to manage, direct yourself to the Access tab. This is where you can review and alter their permissions by clicking on Edit Permissions. HubSpot provides the Choose How to Set Access and Choose Permissions sections. Here's where the magic happens. You can explicitly opt for which tools and datasets the user can interact with. For example, you might want sales team members to have access to contacts, but not detailed reports. Make sure to thoroughly review these options and tailor them to match each user's role. After you've made your selections and feel confident about the setup, don't forget to click Save to apply all the changes. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to manage your team effectively within HubSpot, ensuring that everyone has the right level of access to perform their tasks seamlessly while protecting sensitive data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for more helpful tutorials.